Human nature facts. Ever wondered what makes us tick? The mystery of human nature is fascinating. Our brains, the most intricate organ, can store infinite memories, just like a supercomputer. We're wired to connect. Our social bonds and interactions are vital for our happiness. Emotions are our compass. They guide our actions, decisions, and shape our perceptions. Despite diverse cultures and backgrounds, we all share similar basic needs: love, security, and purpose. Unraveling human nature, we uncover the heart of our existence. It's what makes us uniquely human.